In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 campaign. First, you need to exit the game, press the escape key and select the lost option. Once you exited the game, right-click on the game and select Open File Location. In search, type config, right-click on the config user and select Edit in Notepad. Change this Arabic to English. You can copy the default language and paste it in change the Arabic to English and then select save. Once you're done, do the same thing for config user another file. Paste the English in Arabic and select file and select save option. Once you've done this, close stuff here and launch the game. As you can see, the game language has changed to English. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.